Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time that I haven't even come for an introduction. Today's video is a very simple one. I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty Oreo strawberry flavored Oreo cheesecake. This is one of my personal favorite because it is very simple to make. Vacation is going on for my son, so kids will be there most of the time at home, so I thought of making something special for them. Let's see how to make this delicious cheesecake. Here I have got 500 ml of whipping cream. I am going to measure it 250 ml and going to beat this by adding this into the mixing bowl. Pouring this whipping cream, 250 ml we require. Adding this into the mixing bowl, and we need to beat this until we get a soft form of whipping cream. So I am using a hand mixer and going to beat this. Now I am going to add half cup of powdered sugar. So I am adding half a cup of powdered sugar into this whipping cream. The strawberries what I am going to take here are actually ripe, so they will give enough sweetness for this cake. So mixing it once again. Mix it once again. I am going to beat this in a high speed until we get soft peaks of this whipping cream. Look at this, this should be the consistency. Now I am going to grind these strawberries. Here I have got some almost 14 strawberries here. I am going to wash this thoroughly and grind this until we get a puree out of this. So cleaned and washed strawberries are ready. I am adding this into the grinder and going to grind this by adding some fresh milk. Adding fresh milk now. So strawberry puree is ready here. This one I am going to add into the prepared whipping cream along with some strawberry essence and some cream cheese. So let's do that. To this I am adding a quarter cup of cream cheese. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of strawberry essence into this, just for a flavoring. So I am going to beat this once again just to combine everything well. So the cake mix is ready. Add some pieces of Oreo biscuits into this. I am roughly cutting them into small pieces and adding this into the cake mix. Like this. This is chocolate flavored Oreo, so it makes the cake even more delicious. So here I have taken 3 pieces of Oreo biscuits and cut them into small pieces. So just mix it with a spatula or something like this. So our cake mix is ready. Now this is all ready to go into the cake tray. The cake mix itself tastes so yummy. It has all the flavors of strawberry. Now I am going to prepare a base for the Oreo cheesecake. For this I am going to add some Oreo biscuits into this and grind this coarsely. So look at this, our coarse mixture of Oreo biscuits are ready. This one I will mix with some melted butter so that will make a nice thick base for this cheesecake. So let's see how to do that. I have transferred this coarse mixture of Oreo biscuit into a mixing bowl and adding this 100 ml of melted ghee into this, which will make a nice thick base for our cheesecake. Mixing it well. Mix it well. So this has well combined. Now I am going to make a base for the cake by spreading this evenly into the cake tray. Here I have a cake tray. I have covered the bottom side with a butter paper. This will help to remove the cake easily once it is ready. Just spread it evenly. Adding this prepared cake mix into the cake tray, spread it evenly. Decorating this with some Oreo biscuits and some chopped strawberry. Now we need to freeze this for almost 3 to 4 hours. I have kept this inside the freezer section. Four hours completed, so our Oreo strawberry cheesecake is ready to serve. Look at this, it looks so beautiful and it is so yummy to eat. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this, do let me know in the comment section. So until next time, next video, bye bye.